In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a camshaft position sensor on your Scion XB. This is going to be located on the driver's side of the motor. Let's get started. Pop the harness out of the plastic clip, pinch the tab, pull straight back, remove the connector for the MAF sensor. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the clamp. Go around the bottom, popping all 3 metal tabs. Pull the air box up, twist, and remove the top. Pull your filter out for now. Pull the intake boot towards your brake cylinder. Pinch the clamp for the hose. Pull it back. Pull the hose off of the intake. We're going to remove the connector for our sensor. There's a push button on my forefinger. We're going to push on that, pull straight back, and remove that connector. There's our push button. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the sensor. Remove the bolt. I'm going to grab the sensor with a pair of pliers and wiggle back and forth. This will break the seat between the O-ring and the sensor. The sensor is fully made out of plastic, so don't grab it with the pliers too hard. You don't want to crack it or break it inside of there. I'm going to wiggle as I pull and remove that sensor. Install the new sensor into place. Install the sensor into the motor. Be sure it's fully seated. Get the screw started by hand and snug it down. Torque the bolt to 80 inch-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the hose onto the intake. Get it fully seated, pinch that clamp, pull it over, and make sure it's secure. Install the air filter. Get the intake into the boot first, fully seated. Then we're going to push down with our hand in the back. And you're going to feel the box latch into 2 latches. Then we can look down on the front and close our metal tabs. Install the connector for the mass airflow sensor. Install the harness into the top of the box. Pull your clamp up and around and snug it down. Give it a little wiggle. Make sure the boot does not move on the airbox.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.